Who am I to question the words magically writing themselves in a lucid dream? Astonishing! My pen, a laser beam, scribbling words in a dream within the dream. In the dream I am dreaming, hovering in the ether, befuddled phantom prophets gingerly sneak a peek back to the future. Back to the future, seeking answers to ancient riddles. In the dream, I am dreaming. In the blink of an eye, instant karmic lessons revealed. What just happened? I am in control, manifesting destiny's payback, to be paid in full. In the dream, I am dreaming. It will all turn on a dime. Another place, another time, another dimension. An illusionist conjures up Pierrot, a ghostly clown, naive and aloof. He casually balances on crescent of glittery golden moon. His legs dangle carelessly, hidden in baggy white pantaloons. One arm outstretched, reaching Pierrot's elegantly cupped hand emerges from billowy shirt sleeve. Poised, ever ready to catch random falling stars, dreamed into being. In the dream, I am dreaming. He awaits with all the time in the world, eternal. Ah, Pierrot stares straight at me. Locked in his gaze, I am mesmerized. His sweetly sad, knowing half-smile, barely perceptible, lingers briefly on his powdered white face and disappears without a trace in the dream. Within the dream I am dreaming. In lucid, solitary musings, he has discovered answers to the ancient riddles. They are his secrets, precious to him alone to know, never to be whispered into another's ear. Hey diddle diddle, hey diddle diddle, hearing strains of child's rhyme from dark velvety sky. Hey diddle diddle, hey diddle diddle, I look up, I am dreaming. Oh my, there they are. I wave and shout, hello, hello, I am here dreaming. Feral calico cat plays fiddle with wild abandon. Guardian angels and mischief-making simians dance and sing on Parisian rooftops with Marc Chagall. Delighted, amazed, I can fly. Exhilarating, my fears at bay, all is well. I sail up, up and away to celestial realms. In the dream, within the dream, I am dreaming. Is this a poem or nothing at all, a dreamer's mere bagatelle? Who am I to say I am dreaming, dreaming, dreaming myself more alive, asleep than awake?